To fix a toilet tank that's not refilling after flushing, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue. There are several reasons why this might be happening, including a mispositioned refill tube, a damaged fill valve, or a closed shut-off valve. To address these problems, start by checking the refill tube to confirm it's in place and functioning correctly. If it's not, reposition it and secure it to a clip above the pipe to prevent ghost flushing. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the fill valve may be damaged, possibly due to debris in the water that's caused it to become worn or torn. In this case, replacing the fill valve with a new one should fix the problem, as it's responsible for managing water flow into the toilet tank. If the fill valve replacement doesn't work, the shut-off valve may be the culprit. This valve regulates water flow from the main supply line to the toilet, and if it's closed or only partially open, it can restrict the toilet's water supply. To fix this, locate the shut-off valve and ensure it's fully open. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a toilet tank that's not refilling after flushing.